Energy efficiency is one of the bases of the development and life of people in Europe and all over the world. Another important aspect is reducing the pollution or ultimately total annulling of pollution of air and nature. Using energy resources the way we do, we cannot achieve higher energy efficiency while decreasing pollution. In addition to the solutions we have so far, which have had good results, we also need new solutions which would improve these efforts. On the global web network, one can find a large number of systems which solve all problems of the modern world and provide unlimited amounts of clean energy that is free of charge. These systems come down to the mythical perpetuum mobile, and none of them has passed any independent and professional testing. In the existing internal combustion engines, whether diesel or gasoline ones, adding hydrogen into the mixture of air and fuel during combustion reaction significantly reduce pollution of air with CO, NOx fractions and uncombusted carbohydrates. Fuel consumption is also significantly reduced. In order to realize the technique of combustion enhancement by adding hydrogen, it is necessary to have a source of hydrogen near the engine. One option is to incorporate a hydrogen tank on the vehicle, but due to various technical restraints and safety, this solution cannot be used for now. Another method is the production of hydrogen on the spot. The most reliable method of hydrogen storing is storing of hydrogen bound to oxygen, that is, as water. In order to obtain hydrogen from water, it is necessary to carry out electrolysis of water, but along with hydrogen we also get oxygen as a byproduct. Searching YouTube and Yahoo groups for HHO or hydroxy, we can see that a lot of people have already built water electrolysis units into their vehicles. These units are mainly designed by backyard engineers, and they claim that these manage to reduce fuel consumption significantly, but on the other hand, serious sources for these water electrolysis units claim that their use has no results, since the energy produced through increased percentage of fuel consumption is spent for the water electrolysis process itself. It has been recorded that after the unit is built in, fuel consumption and engine load increase. An interesting idea, contradictory information and curiosity have inspired us to design our own device for the water electrolysis of tubular design with accompanying electronics. A module for engines up to 2500 cm was made, and it was tested using appropriate vehicles. Results we got, even though the method were not strictly scientific, were surprisingly positive. The fuel saving in motor vehicles was between 16% and 35%. We have not able to accurately measure the reduction of greenhouse gas emission, but it was significant. Also, there was no reduction in engine performance. We also like to emphasize that the achieved positive results with internal combustion engines of older generation, which did not have microprocessor as a controlling unit of consumption and engine performance. The same water electrolysis unit was also placed in the newer car, which did have the above mentioned microprocessor, and increased fuel consumption was recorded. The reason for this is the fact that the software did not properly interpret the sensor signal from the exhaust manifold, where gas composition was much cleaner than when hydrogen was not introduced, so it sent the command for higher fuel consumption. The fuel can be solved by using an appropriate software, and results should be same as with older cars. We asked ourselves a simple question: why is this simple system not widely used? And the answer was, we do not know. Our idea is to take advantage of the fact that we live in Bosnia, where the average age of agricultural machinery amounts to more than 25 years. Electrolysis device can be easily installed on these combustion engines, and installation costs would be paid off in about half a season of engine operation. Well, this is water electrolysis unit. Here we put in water, distilled water, and on this tube we get H2O or hydrogen plus oxygen. And this is basic of this system. To sum up the ultimate goal. Serial production and installation water electrolysis unit in order to reduce air pollution and increase energy efficiency. Thank you for watching.